Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So today I brought to you this remedy. This drink herbal remedy is very good to the health. So before I continue, I will really want to appreciate all my subscribers, both my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I say God bless you all. So this drink you are just looking at now, it's just meant for weight loss and lose fat remover, belly fat remover. It's gonna remove a lot of fat, and also to is meant for cleansing the immune system, the body system, and also it's good for both men and female. So all we need is guava leaf and moringa, garlic, and another thing we also need is ginger. So this drink is very good to the body. We remember guava leaf is very good. Is good to is used for washing of the system. It's good for boosting the immune system. There's something with moringa. So all you need to do is to wash the moringa leaf and guava leaf. You wash them together and then you put everything in the blender, both ginger, garlic, and moringa leaf, guava leaf. You put them together and it's going to look this way. You are going to love it. It's just going to be this way. You sieve it, you do that, and this thing, remember that ginger is an extremely versatile herbs and also good for the body immune system. And garlic intakes has proven to boost the immune system also because of its high level of vitamin B, C, and it also very good. So these things you put them together because this is going to purge. So when it purge is good, you use it 2 times in a week. You do it 2 times in a week, and this thing is also helps to prevent a lot of bacteria like infections, and it's very good. And you do these things, this drink really going to give you a good shape that you will love. You will love it. Within 24 hours, you will see a different shape. Really, because I have tried this and proven it. It's very good. And when you try this, then the only thing you need the direction how you're going to do it. 1 glass cup every in the morning. Every morning, this is how you're going to take 1 glass cup. Please caution: pregnant women should not use it. Do not give this to pregnant women, please, nursing mothers. And also you have to keep it away from sun and also away from little children because they can take it and it may cause it may cause different problems. So this is how it's going to look like. You can store it and keep it in the fridge, or you store it and just put it in a container, and whenever you want to use it you have to shake it properly before using. You have to shake it before you use it. You can store it in the freezer or you leave it. So this drink you are looking at is very good and active. It worked very well. I have tried it. You really have to try this and you will see the wonder. So if you have anything to say, just go to the comment section and just say anything. And if you take these drinks and maybe start having another effect on you, please, you have to stop it. And when you take it and the purging continue in the way your body cannot hold it, you just take red oil to stop it and you are good to go. So thank you very much and God bless you all. I love you all. Bye.